What is up, investors? Jason here. So we are finally done with September. We are in October and we're in the last quarter of 2021. And in my opinion, this is going to be the biggest quarter of 2021 for crypto. I have a feeling that we're going to be seeing all the all-time highs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, for Cardano, and every other crypto as well. I think that this is the big last bit of the year that's going to be the big hoorah. Now, what is actually going on right now is we have really good news that is coming out from the federal government talking about how they don't have any plans, or the feds don't have any plans on doing any restrictions on crypto right now. So that is a big piece of information that has just come out. There's been a lot of FUD that's been thrown at us. We've gotten a lot of FUD from China in September. There's just been a lot holding crypto down in September when we really thought that month was going to be good, when the stock market was doing bad. But it just became a big cluster of just both the stock market and the crypto market both doing bad. But now things have turned. We're on the right path right now for crypto to getting to all-time highs for so many of these currencies that we do like. Now we have Bitcoin on the move at this moment, up almost 10%. We got Ethereum up more than 10%. We got Cardano up close to 6% right now. We got Cody down a little bit, but Cody's been on fire in general. We got Solana up almost 16%, and we got Polkadot up more than 11% right now. So we have just so many of these cryptos that we do like, that we do talk about on this channel, that is moving in the right direction, and this is what we've been wanting to see. So I want to get more into what is going on, what the federal government just said about crypto, and just talk about some of these particular ones that you guys know that I do like a lot. So if you guys have not already though, please do me a huge favor. Subscribe to this channel if you want to stay up to date on everything that I talk about with cryptocurrencies. These are very time-sensitive videos. And like this video because it does help out spreading this video to more people that might find it interesting. Let's get to it. The U.S. has no plans to ban Bitcoin or crypto, Fed Chair Powell said. The United States Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell said that the United States currently has no plan to ban cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin. Powell's statement on crypto during Thursday's oversight of the Treasury Department and Federal Reserve's pandemic response hearing. Powell told U.S. Rep. Ted Budd that he will not take an approach similar to the one taken by China. The hearing follows a recent strengthening of China's cryptocurrency ban. Budd, who is also a member of the Congressional Blockchain Caucus, asked Powell if it was his intention to ban or limit the use of cryptocurrencies like we're seeing in China, and he received a clear no as the answer. The representative followed by clearly asking if he had no intention to ban them, to which the Fed chairman answered that he had no intention to ban them. Powell also said that once central bank digital currencies, CBDC, hit the financial landscape, you wouldn't need stablecoins. He also said that stablecoins need greater regulatory scrutiny and compared them to money market funds and bank deposits. So basically, the Federal Reserve is more interested in some sort of cryptocurrency regulations on stablecoins like Tether or USD coin, not something like Bitcoin, just something that has a sort of an underlying asset. So I don't know if that's going to be something that will affect Cardano's new stablecoin that they have planned, JED, which spelled D-J-E-D, D is silent. Now, JED is an algorithmic stablecoin, so that's going to be interesting to see how that does play out, and could be a little bit of a reason why Cardano isn't up as much as some of these other cryptos that are out there. Now, as we have the federal government not putting any bans on crypto, we do have the SEC still not allowing a Bitcoin ETF or a crypto ETF in general. Some people will say that's actually a good thing, and some people will say, well, that's not really that great of a thing, because some people think that the government should just completely stay out of regulating anything that has to do with crypto, and that would even mean by not allowing a crypto ETF of any sort. And others will say that, well, that's great for Bitcoin because that opens up a lot more buying into Bitcoin, and then that can help the price go up even more. And we'll just have to see. Some people are on the fence about it and some people are not. But this is something that has been delayed, and we'll see how that does happen here in the next month and a half or so. Probably something we'll find out more so in 2022. And in other news that is helping out Bitcoin is that El Salvador is using sustainable energy with their volcano-powered Bitcoin mining that has just begun. The president of El Salvador has tweeted that El Salvador has begun mining Bitcoin using geothermal power from volcanoes. Now, another piece of news here, we have Cardano again as the third largest cryptocurrency by market cap. And Tether is now the fifth largest. Tether had the third largest spot there, but Tether is just a stable coin. So it's not like it's going to really trend up so much in value when we do see crypto on a run. So Cardano has now surpassed Tether, and BNB has also surpassed Tether. So now we have BNB and Cardano very close to each other, just a difference of about $1 billion between the two. So it's going to be interesting to see which one does take that third largest cryptocurrency by market cap slot there. Now, just to run through a last little bit here on a quick technical analysis of the entire crypto space, we have Bitcoin soaring up so fast. So hopefully we're going to be seeing Bitcoin pass that $50,000, which that's going to be the best thing for crypto. But like I was saying in a previous video, when Bitcoin does surpass $50,000, it becomes a lot more volatile, which it can rise up to $60,000 and then it can crash below $50,000. We've seen that many times, and it's all over the place when it does reach that. It's a more difficult place, and that's going to be an area that we really need to be finding a lot of support with Bitcoin when we do surpass that. As you guys know, I say that a lot. I don't mean to sound like a broken record, but I wouldn't be surprised in these last 3 months that we don't get Bitcoin going on a new all-time high. I really think that it's going to be smashing through that record, and I think that this is now a great sign of seeing it happen, especially how quickly it is rising right now at this time. Now I want to take you guys over to Ethereum, because now, of course, we have Ethereum now no longer in that $3,000 slump, and we have Ethereum trending up. So now we need Ethereum to find support above $3,400, and then hopefully that it can continue its run and surpassing through $4,000 like we really need it to do. That's the biggest place that we need Ethereum to go. So we have all this FUD that was in the way with Bitcoin and Ethereum and every other crypto out there, and now we're just putting that behind us. We now don't have to worry about the federal government banning crypto. Now it's all about just what are the catalysts that are going to keep it moving. We don't have China FUD out there. I think this is going to be great. I think that this is now the potential to see this run continue. And if it's anything like it was after we had just turned our back on the whole China FUD before, I wouldn't be surprised that Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, etc., everybody wouldn't be just flying high with now not having to worry about the federal government banning Bitcoin or crypto in general. Now heading to Cardano, what we got with Cardano is that we have it trending up to our next resistance of 235, which is where we really need it to be passing. I say that all the time as well. And then that will put us back where we were when the Alonzo upgrade was priced in. So if we can just start that run again. Hopefully we can start surpassing the previous resistance that we had and then get back up above $3, where we had recently hit its high of $3.10 back in the beginning of September. Now we just need to start going back up, hopefully surpass that, and then find support for Cardano above $3.10 is what I'm thinking is going to be the main resistance that we're going to have a lot of trouble with, and that's where we need to find support above. And then from there, that's when I'm thinking that we can start seeing Cardano start to trend towards that $5 price, or possibly even that $7 price that I'm thinking that we might get Cardano at by the end of this year. So really, a lot really banking on these last 3 months that we have to look forward to in 2021. And I think that it could possibly be a really good end of the year here. So just to take you guys now on over to Solana, because this is another one that I really like. We have Solana now going up to its resistance of $165, and hopefully Solana can find support above that too. And it looks like Solana is getting its run back, and hopefully we do get Solana above $200, which that would be absolutely amazing. This is a crypto that everybody's been very bullish on, and a lot of people started to turn their backs on it once it started to drop. But now it is trending back up, and I think that there is a lot of potential to become with Solana, because this one is a very fast cryptocurrency. Transaction speeds are very fast. It's got the whole proof of stake, just like Cardano does. A lot of things that we like about Cardano are in Solana, and I think that this one also has a lot of potential. Not one that I'm really big invested into, but I think that this is one that does have a lot of potential as the time does go on. And it is one to definitely continue watching, which we're going to be doing on this channel. And just to sum things up, you guys, we have Polkadot and even Dogecoin looking good, as well as every other cryptocurrency that we watch on this channel as well. So I just wanted to leave that there, give you guys an update. Now I will continue these updates, hopefully even more for now on. You guys seem like you're really liking these crypto videos. They're getting a lot more views than I was when I was making stock videos. So if you guys want to help out this channel, I do have a Patreon and I do have channel memberships. Those things help me keep these videos going because now I am putting a lot more time into them. So anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe. New videos coming out all the time. Thanks guys for watching.